4 questions to ask a cleaning company London before hiring. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you find yourself hard-pressed by tasks on your schedule, such as family matters, social meetings and work assignments, cleaning will likely be the last thing on your mind. In this case, it would be best for you to hire a cleaning company London. Hello and welcome! Please watch again till the end of this video to get the bonus tip. The decision to hire professional cleaners should be then followed by a thorough research on the available options. You can ask for recommendations from your friends who have used similar services before, but ultimately you want to check out all possibilities as well. After all, you rely on these cleaners to do a good job and work to high standards. That is why you must prepare a list of questions to ask the company representatives before you book any services. How long have they been in the cleaning business? This may seem minor to you, but when a company has been in the industry for a while, they are more professional and trustworthy. The more years they have in the cleaning business, the more perfected their methods and solutions will be. This is a general rule you should follow if you want to be safe. What is the price of their service? Price is always an important factor, regardless if you have much to spare or your budget is restricted. If you are quoted a very low price, then that should sound the alarm that maybe this company offers poor quality service and that you are better off hiring some other. Besides, you need to be able to plan for that expense, and it is only by getting the information on what the price is and how it is formed that you can proceed with the booking. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. And please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Are the cleaners reliable? It is only normal to feel a little nervous by the idea that some cleaners will soon visit your home. That is why you must ensure the cleaning company has implemented a robust vetting process and that each of their employees is screened. You don't want random people visiting your property. Are the cleaners insured? In a case of an unfortunate event, say something gets broken during the cleaning session, it pays to know who is paying for the damage. An insured company will cover any such expenses, although you can expect their services to be somewhat more expensive. Then again, you want to have peace of mind, and proper insurance of the cleaning company is something that can provide it. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. Here is your bonus tip. Do they use their solutions and equipment? Sometimes a company will provide their cleaning products and tools, but in other cases, you must provide some equipment and your products. It all depends on the type of service you require and how the company works with clients. Using their products is always better because it minimizes the risk of them making a mistake. Remember that you should never hire the first company you have found, but instead do research and ask questions. That is how you can have the best cleaning company London in your case. Watch our other FastKlean videos below and find out approved tips for a green home by a cleaning company London. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website realthalificide.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below.